All right, guys, I'm going to show you this little real quick hack, using the AppLike on Android. Okay, so AppLike is this application right here, right there. So you click on that. Okay, and it's this application. You play a lot of games and you earn points. The longer you play the game, the more points you earn. As you can see, I'm at 70,000, ranked level 14. All right, and this is the first homepage. So the homepage recommends you all the apps you can download and earn points on. All right. So every other day you might see a new app to download. You don't necessarily have to download all the applications that they recommend. All right. So the best app, the best game or app I've seen give you a lot of points is this app called Final Fantasy, I think 15, Final Fantasy 15, which is a RPG game on the Google Play Store, and it's free. As you can see, I played a game for 8 minutes and I earned 950 points. And like I said, right now I'm at 70,000. So let's see what I could get with that many right now. So 70,000 points. The rewards are going to pop up in a second. I don't know why it's loading up so slow, but okay. So you get Amazon. Right now, my highest rank I can get so far looks like $5 gift cards. Yeah, so I need 20-some thousand more points to get $10 gift cards. Also, PayPal. Right now, I can withdraw for $5 of PayPal. So that's cool. Actually, I can withdraw probably $7.50 worth if I do that one time and then do the other one the next time. So you can make $7, 70,000 points. One quick trick, once again, the fastest trick is I have my phone charging, right? So what you'll want to do is let your phone charge. Well, keep your screen on while charging the device. So, okay, let's go into Star Wars. I'm finna go into Star Wars. I can earn 78 points in 60 seconds. So once I get the Star Wars game up and running, I just let my phone sit here and I earn points. And on points, you can rack up. You can leave your phone on the charger all day and you can make money in a day. All right, and you can withdraw that money with the AppLike anytime you want to. So this is my quick tutorial on how to get PayPal cash every day, just by downloading games and just letting it sit there on your screen and letting it run. That's all you gotta do. All right, it's your boy Two Phones.